Good day, sir. I am Marin Austin, BSIT 3A People. So for today's video, we are going to discuss the step-by-step of SHA-1 and how to solve it. But first, what is secure hash algorithm SHA-1? Introduction of secure hash algorithm. The secure hash algorithm SHA was developed by the National Institute of Standard and Technology, or what we call it NIST. It is based on MD4 algorithm based on the different digest lengths. SHA-1 includes algorithms such as SHA-1, SHA-256, SHA-384, and SHA-512. So let's move on to the next bullet. Unlike interruptions given a variable length message X, a secure hash algorithm computes a function H and X, which has a fixed bits. When a message of any length is less than 2 to 64 bits is input, the SHA-1 produces a 160-bit output called message digest. The input of SHA-1 is 2 to 64 bits, and the output we call is message digest. So let's move on to the next slide. SHA-1 called secure because it is computationally feasible to find a message which corresponds to a given message digest, or to find two different messages which produce the same message digest. So let's move on to the last bullet. The most commonly used hash function from the SHA family is SHA-1. SHA-1 is used in SSL. It stands for Secure Socket Layer. TLS for Transport Layer Security. And PGP is Pretty Good Privacy. SSH is Secure Socket Shell. And MIME is Multipurpose Internet Mail Extension or Mail Communication. And IPsec is for IP security and authentication purpose.
Good day, my name is Jamael Ponzalan, 3A PPO. Secure hash algorithm. Features of SHA-1. Message or data files used as input in SHA-1 to compute a message digest, output of hash function or final hash value. The message or data files should be considered to be a bit string. The length of the message is the numbers of bits in the message. The empty message has length of 0. The purpose of message padding is to make the total length of padded message a multiple of 512. If a message length is 1000 bits, so padded 24 bits to make message into a multiple 512 bits. The SHA-1 sequentially processes blocks of 512 bits when computing the message digest. Working of SH1. SH1 works with any input message that is less than 264 bits in length. The output of SHA is a message digest which is 160 bits in length. Working of SHA-1. Step 1. Padding. The first step of SH1 is added padding to the end of original message to prepare message in multiple of 512 bits. Step 2. Append length. The length of message excludes the length of the padding is now calculated and appended to the end of the padding as 64 bits blocks. Message length is 64 bits short of multiple of 512.
And let us now move on to step number 3. We have divide the input into 512-bit blocks. The input message is now divided into blocks, each of length 512 bits. And step number 4, initialize chaining variables. Now, 5 chaining variables A to E are initialized. Each of 32 bits variable produces 160 bits length of message digest. And we have now here the 5 variables, and the 2 variable encircled between the B and C. And let us now move on to step number 5, process block and output. Combination of A to E chaining variable is called A, B, C, D, E will be considered as a single register. Now, divided the current 512-bit block into 16 blocks, each consisting of 32 bits. 32 times 16, we have 512. SHA-1 has performed 4 rounds. Each round takes current 512-bit blocks, the register A, B, C, D, E, and constant KT where T is equal to 0 to 79 as input. SHA consists of 4 rounds, each round containing 20 iterations. So total iteration is 80. The logical operation of a single SHA-1 iteration looks as shown in figure. Mathematically, an iteration consists of the following operation. A, B, C, D, E is equal to E plus process P plus S to the 5 power A plus WT plus KT. Now, WT is the expanded message word of round T, and KT is the round constant of round T.
Good morning everybody, my name is VJ Donato and I'm from the 3A BPO. For my part, comparison based on parameter of different SHA version. SHA-1 was cracked in the year 2005. New hash function SHA-512 is introduced to overcome problem SHA-1. Comparison of SHA parameter. S or number. Message digest size, block size, word size, number of steps, security level. For digest size, SHA-1, 160 to 256, 384 to 512. Message size, 264, 264, 2128, and 2128. Block size, 512, 512, 102, 4, 1024. For word size, 32, 32, 64, 64. Numbers of steps, 80, 64, 80, 80. Security level, 80, 128, 192, and 256.